In your conjugal life, you may face your problem. Some problems are very serious, especially very private. When you have some sexual problem, you cannot talk to your parents, your friends, or even your relatives. So where you can go? You can come to us. We are here to serve you. We have specialists, doctors, and counselors so that you can get counseling from them. At the same time, you can get the world-class treatment from our sexual health clinic. Hello, this is your wellness counselor, Nalavari from Clinic 21. And Clinic 21 is the first ever sexual health and aesthetic gynecology clinic in Bangladesh. Not only that, in Asian subcontinent. If you have erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation, you should have thought about to see our doctor because you don't know, maybe it is your time to see your doctor. We are here to know your problem. What can be your sexual health problem? What are you facing? Clinic 21 is the sister concern of Laser Treat, and Laser Treat is very renowned beauty clinology in Bangladesh. You have heard about Professor Dr. Sarkar Mahbub Ahmed Shamim, who is very renowned aesthetic dermatologist and sexologist who has introduced P-Shot in Bangladesh. So it's a history of Laser Treat, and already have some patients like who has very interested about penile augmentation. They want their penis big and thick. But penile augmentation is also very, very popular in our clinic, and it is safe, absolutely safe. So as a wellness counselor, today I want to talk about blood circulation in your penile area. It is related to our brain, and penile area's blood circulation is very important for any men. Maybe we are not very serious about our genital issues because it is very hidden thing. It is very private. We cannot talk to anyone about our problem. So what happened? Couples are suffering for this problem. Especially women are suffering when her man is not performing properly in bed. You need to come to our clinic. This is Clinic 21, and talk to our doctors, our counselors. Then you will see what is your problem. If you can find where is your problem, then we can prescribe your treatment. We have world-class treatment which is used in USA and Europe. Cutting-edge technology is already introduced in our treatments because we have FDA-approved machine in our clinic. Our clinic is situated in Banani. If you come to that place, you will get all kind of facilities, all kind of treatment in one roof. Especially in Clinic 21, we have shockwave therapy from Mornova, Emsella chair, which will gives you supracontraction, 11,000 supracontraction within 30 minutes. Lyra for vaginal rejuvenation. We have P-Shot, O-Shot, XHRT, which is sex hormone replacement therapy. If you feel that you are not comfortable to talk to anyone, maybe you are not married, but you can understand that your sensitivity is very high, you are getting ejaculated very, very quickly, you are feeling so hard to erection, that means you have erectile dysfunction. So you can just come in the screen, you can get the number of our call center. You just need a call to us. This call can change your life. This is a very good option for anyone where Professor Dr. Sarkar Mahbub Ahmed Shamim is there, and he has 15 years experience in this sector. We also have 10 specialist doctor in our clinic. We prefer if you come to Banani in Dhaka city. If you are confused about your life, if you are not happy in your sexual life, not even happy in your conjugal life, please come and visit us because you don't know what to do. Nobody taught you. No one can taught that thing. No one can talk about your sexual health, even though in social media you cannot get the proper information can help you, and we are here to serve you. Thank you so much from Clinic 21.